In front of me is CUBOT King Kong X, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to Access Privacy and hit Permission Manager. Following that, tap on one of your device's features to manage. Click on one of your apps and apply the best option for you. Camera access for this app allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using my browser. You can always select any feature, tap on an app that you wish to manage, and instead of picking any of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!